Instant Pot Chocolate Lava Cake. Rich, gooey and done in 30 minutes. This indulgent dessert is made with these very simple ingredients. Melt the butter and chocolate chips by microwaving it for 20 seconds. Remove to stir, microwave for another 20 seconds, then stir until it's smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk eggs, sugar, flour and vanilla together until smooth. Then pour chocolate mixture into the egg mixture and stir well. Then, spray a 250 ml ramekin with cooking spray. Fill the ramekin 2/3 of the way full of batter. Place the steam rack into the bottom of the Instant Pot. Add 2 cups of water and place the ramekin on the steam rack. Put the lid on the Instant Pot, making sure you twist to seal. And then set it on high for 9 minutes in the pressure cook mode. When the time is up, push the pressure release button immediately. Once the steam has been let out, open the lid and carefully remove the ramekin from the Instant Pot. Dress it up with icing sugar, berries and mint leaves. Are you ready to see the gooey middle? Come closer. Chocolate lava cake in less than 30 minutes, only with my Instant Pot.